Now, the one thing that we must understand about spiritually awakening is that refinement is necessary before awakening is even possible. We think we can do superficial practices for 15, 20 minutes a day and achieve enlightenment. We think we can just jump into awakening, but that's not how it works. You cannot skip the inner work. You cannot bypass the foundation. Before you can even begin the process of awakening, you must establish stability, your foundation, a state of stillness, clarity, and steady presence, your meditative state. Now, this requires refinement in every dimension of your being. Mental refinement, your relationship with thoughts, your perception and perspective, your understanding of consciousness itself. Emotional refinement, your relationship with emotions, cleansing trauma and wounds, neither grasping what's pleasant nor avoiding what's difficult. Spiritual refinement, your relationship with self, your understanding of awareness, your capacity for sustained attention, embodied refinement, your relationship with your physical self, your perception of space and time, your energetic cultivation, and your circulation, your Qi. We plant these unwanted seeds in our heart mind that comes from delusional thoughts shaped by conditioning, unprocessed emotions, and reactive patterns, trauma, and wounds left unhealed, along with confused perceptions of self and reality. All of these things must be cleansed, healed, and rectified before awakening can even occur. It's not optional. It's the foundation. You cannot awaken in the dark. You can only see when the lights are on. Awareness are your flashes of light. As your awareness expands, darkness is being pushed away. You're cleansing. You're creating stability. And within that light, that stability is your awakening, your enlightenment. I hope you understand. Until next time.